Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Imagine waking up every morning knowing you have the freedom to work from anywhere and still make money. In this video, we're going to reveal the easiest ways to make money online that can make you rich. In this channel, we empower you to achieve financial freedom and build a millionaire mindset. Discover proven strategies, tips, and tricks for saving, investing, side hustles, and smart spending. Subscribe to our channel for more on financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is not just a dream, it's a choice. Let's make it happen. Freelancing. Freelancing is working for yourself rather than for a company and offering your skills and services to clients on a project basis. It means you can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose the projects that interest you. The flexibility is unmatched. You decide when and where you work, and the earning potential, it's all up to you. With dedication and skill, you can earn more than a traditional 9-to-5 job. To start freelancing, you need a platform to find clients. There are several popular freelancing platforms where you can create a profile and start offering your services. Upwork is one of the largest platforms with a wide range of job categories. Fiverr allows you to list specific services known as gigs that clients can purchase directly. Freelancer is another great option, connecting freelancers with employers looking for various skills. Certain skills are highly sought after in the freelancing world. Writing is always in demand, from blog posts to technical writing. Graphic design is another popular field, with businesses needing logos, social media graphics, and more. Programming skills can be particularly lucrative, with clients needing websites, apps, and software. Digital marketing is also in high demand, covering areas like SEO, social media management, and email marketing. If you have expertise in any of these areas, you're well on your way to a successful freelancing career. Starting as a freelancer can be challenging, but with the right steps, you can set yourself up for success. First, create a compelling profile on your chosen platform. Highlight your skills, experience, and any relevant projects you've completed. Use a professional photo and write a clear, concise bio that tells potential clients what you offer. Next, build a portfolio showcasing your best work. If you're just starting, consider doing a few projects for free or at a lower rate to build up your portfolio. Finally, don't be afraid to apply for jobs and gigs. Be persistent and patient. As you complete more projects and receive positive reviews, you'll start attracting more clients and higher paying jobs. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, get a unique link for the product you want to promote, and share that link with your audience. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The company gets a sale, and you get paid for helping them make that sale. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choosing a niche you are passionate about is crucial. A niche is a specific area or topic you will focus on. This could be anything from health and fitness to technology or home decor. When you choose a niche you care about, creating content becomes easier and more enjoyable. Plus, your enthusiasm will come through, making your recommendations more genuine and effective. There are many affiliate programs you can join to start earning commissions. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular programs, offering a vast range of products to promote. Share a Sale is another great option, with thousands of merchants in various niches. ClickBank is known for its digital products, including ebooks and online courses, which often have higher commission rates. Joining multiple programs can help diversify your income streams and find the best products for your audience. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to create valuable content that attracts and engages your audience. Start by creating blog posts, videos, or social media content that addresses your audience's needs and interests. Include your affiliate links naturally within your content, making sure to disclose that you may earn a commission. Driving traffic to your content is key. Use SEO techniques to rank higher in search engines, promote your content on social media, and build an email list to stay connected with your audience. The more people you reach, the more potential commissions you can earn. Stock photography and video. Stock photography and video involves selling your photos and videos online to businesses, marketers, and individuals who need visual content. You upload your work to stock websites where buyers can purchase licenses to use your images and video. Each time someone downloads your content, you earn a royalty. It's a great way to generate passive income from your creative work. To get started, you need to join reputable stock photography and video platforms. Shutterstock is one of the largest and most well-known platforms, offering a wide range of content. Adobe Stock is integrated with Adobe Creative Cloud, making it a popular choice for creatives. Getty Images is another top platform, known for its high quality and premium stock content. These platforms provide a vast audience for your work, increasing your chances of making sales. To succeed in stock photography and video, focus on taking high-quality images and footage. Use a good camera and pay attention to lighting, composition, and clarity. Think about what types of images images and videos are in demand, such as lifestyle, business, technology, and nature. Keyword optimization is crucial. When you upload your content, you'll need to add keywords that describe your images and videos. These keywords help potential buyers find your work. Be specific and use relevant keywords that accurately describe your content. For example, if you upload a photo of a sunset over a beach, include keywords like sunset, beach, ocean, summer, and travel. Stay consistent and keep uploading new content regularly. The more high-quality work you have on these platforms, the more opportunities you have to make sales. Also, pay attention to trends and seasonal demand to tailor your content to what buyers are looking for at any given time. Blogging and content creation. Starting a blog or YouTube channel. Starting a blog or YouTube channel offers numerous opportunities for monetization. With a blog, you can share your thoughts, expertise, and stories on a platform you control. YouTube allows you to create video content that can reach a wide audience. Both platforms can generate income through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling products or services. The key is to consistently create high-quality content that attracts and retains an audience. Content ideas. Finding your niche is essential to stand out in the crowded online space. Think about what topics you are passionate about and have knowledge in. This could be anything from cooking and travel to tech reviews or personal finance. Once you identify your niche, brainstorm content ideas that will engage your audience. Consider what problems you can solve, what stories you can tell, and what unique perspectives you can offer. Always aim to provide value, whether it's through entertaining, educating, or inspiring your audience. Monetization strategies. There are several ways to monetize your blog or YouTube channel. 1. Ads. Platforms like Google AdSense for blogs and YouTube Partner Program for channels allow you to earn money through ads displayed on your content. 2. Sponsorships. As your audience grows, brands may approach you to promote their products or services. Sponsored posts and videos can be highly lucrative. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. This works well if you review products or recommend tools and services relevant to your niche. 4. Merchandise. Create and sell your own branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or digital products like ebooks and online courses. Building a loyal audience is crucial for long-term success. Consistency is key. Make sure you publish new content regularly, whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating content that addresses their interests and needs. Use social media to promote your content and connect with your audience on different platforms. Building an email list is also a great way to keep your audience informed about new content and special offers. Remember, the more you interact with your audience, the more invested they will become in your content. Remember, the journey to making money online starts with a single step. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Each of these methods requires dedication and consistency, but the rewards can be life-changing. Imagine the freedom of working from anywhere, on your terms, and building an income that grows over time. You have the potential to achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. Take that first step today and start your online income journey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.